Hi students, now about sympathetic system. Okay student, already you know about cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. Cranial nerves arises from the cranium, part of the brain, and spinal nerves, these are starts from the spinal cord. Okay, both are constitute, these are spinal cord and the brain, two parts. These are constitute central nervous system, and parts of the nerves came from the brain and the spinal cord, and which is connected to the different parts of the body and constitutes peripheral nervous system. Students, peripheral nervous system again divided into two types. One is the somatic nervous system, another one is autonomous neural system. Students, now about autonomous neural system. It is the autonomous neural system that is associated with the interoceptors. What about the interoceptors? These are the interoceptors or the receptors receive internal stimuli from the different parts of the vital organs, and the glands send signals to the system, neural system. Students, and it is the autonomous neural system mainly involved in the involuntary functions that are related with the vital organs and glands, regulate their functions, activities, movements, like that. These all are involuntary. Student, now what about this? This is the autonomous neural system is divided into two types. Again, one is the sympathetic system, another one is parasympathetic system. Students, now about sympathetic system. What about the sympathetic system? Students, this is the sympathetic system consists nerves, nerve fibers. These are arises from the thoraco region of the spinal cord and lumbar region of the spinal cord. Hence this is called thoracolumbar division, and outflow of the nerves are came out from the thoracic lumbar regions of the spinal cord. Hence it is the outflow is called thoracolumbar outflow. Entire the system, entire the division, sympathetic division is outflow is called thoracolumbar outflow. And student, and the two sympathetic chains are there. One pair sympathetic chains. These are present at either sides of the dorsal aorta. It is the main blood vessel. Either sides having two sympathetic chains. This is the one of the sympathetic chain, and another one of the sympathetic chain is there, like that. This is the spinal cord, this is the brain. Okay student, just this is adjacent to the, this is the sympathetic chain adjacent to the either sides of the dorsal aorta. This is the one, and another one is located at this part, this region. And preganglionic sympathetic fibers. Students, this is the synthetic ganglia, this is the synthetic chain or the synthetic ganglia. Nerve fibers present before the chain ganglia. These are called preganglionic. This is the chained ganglia. Okay student, what about the ganglia? Group of the cell bodies present at the peripheral nervous system is called ganglia. Student, there is only cell bodies of neurons. Group of the cell bodies are present in these regions called ganglia, and this is the ganglia arranged as a chain like structure because it is called chained ganglia. The nerve fibers means These are the axon part of the nerves. Axon part of the nerves called axon part of the nerves neurons called fibers. Bundle of the axons of many neurons is called fiber. Okay student, just before the ganglia, preganglionic, just before the ganglia, preganglionic sympathetic fiber, these are preganglionic sympathetic fibers, and postganglionic sympathetic fibers, these are the nerve fibers present after the location of the chained ganglia. These are postganglion, these are preganglionic synthetic fibers. Okay student, these are postganglionic, sympathetic fibers. Okay student, next another one, collateral ganglia. What about collateral ganglia? These three are constitutes collateral ganglia. This is the one ganglia, this second one, third one, both are called as collateral ganglia. Okay student, next and the chained ganglia. This is the chained ganglia, arranged as a chain like manner. Ganglia serially arranged as a chain like manner, chained ganglia. Okay student, and already you know ganglia is formed by cell bodies of the neurons and connected to nerve fibers. This is the nerve fiber, this is the nerve fiber, this is the nerve fiber. Okay student, this is the ganglia locates at this region and connect to the nerve fiber serially. Okay student, next what about preganglionic fibers? These are called preganglionic fibers, these are postganglionic fibers. Preganglionic fiber, synapse. What about the synapse? What is the meaning of the synapse? Synapse, it is the gap junction between the terminal part of the axon terminals of the one neuron and dendrites of the another neuron. Student, that is called synapse. Preganglionic fiber synapse joined directly with the postganglionic neuron. These are the preganglionic neurons directly contact with the postganglionic neurons, synapse directly with the postganglionic neurons in chain ganglia. This is the chain ganglia. Okay student, are also synapse with preganglionic neurons, synapse with collateral ganglia also. These are directly connected with the chained ganglia also. These are also directly synapse with these are the preganglionic neurons directly synapse with the collateral ganglia. Okay, form junction with the cell bodies of the dendrites of the collateral ganglia, and these are the preganglionic neurons also synapse directly with the postganglionic neurons. Okay student, next and the collateral ganglia. What about collateral ganglia? Already you know about the ganglia, group of cell bodies in peripheral nervous system is called ganglia. Student, collateral ganglia present at the region of the abdominal cavity in the human beings, and another one, these are having names on each side. Student, these are, first one is celiac ganglia. This is celiac ganglia. Next, second one is superior mesenteric. This is the superior mesenteric, also called anterior mesenteric ganglia. Next, inferior mesenteric ganglia. It is also called posterior mesenteric ganglia. Next, and the students, what about postganglionic sympathetic neurons? Students, these are postganglionic sympathetic neurons. These are preganglionic sympathetic neurons. Cell bodies in chain ganglia having their cell bodies. These are nerve fibers present in the axon part of the neuron, having cell bodies in the chain ganglia. This is cell bodies present at the region of chain ganglia, and axon part is travel to connect with the internal organs, vital organs. Students, cell bodies in chain ganglia and also have their cell bodies in the collateral ganglia. Students, sympathetic trunk ganglia close to the spinal cord. It is also important. Student, you observe sympathetic chain, sympathetic ganglia. This is the spinal cord. It is close to the spinal cord. It is close to the, this is the chained ganglia. Sympathetic chain is close to the spinal cord, near to the spinal cord. Okay, and sympathetic preganglionic axons are shorter. The axon present in the nerve fiber, these are axons are shorter. Okay, student. And postganglionic axons, these are postganglionic axons, these are longer. Okay, student. Next, postganglionic axons from sympathetic trunk. Postganglionic axons from the chained ganglia, sympathetic chain. Okay, student. And connected to the vital organs which are located at the anterior part of the diaphragm. Okay, student. Anterior part, diaphragm is the one of the structure. Okay, student, that divides the two cavities. Okay, student. And these are the axons, these are the nerve fibers connect to the organs which is present above the diaphragm. Next, and the postganglionic axons from collateral ganglia. These are postganglionic axons, and from the collateral ganglia. These are arises from the collateral ganglia, and connected to the vital organs, connected to the internal organs, which is locates posterior to the diaphragm. These are the organs, systems locates below the diaphragm. Okay, student, this is the entire system is about sympathetic system.